Imagine walking away from a roaring campfire, only to catch on fire because the air a mile away is suddenly 100 times hotter than the flames. That is exactly what is happening on our sun. Think about it. The sun's core is a raging nuclear furnace, pushing heat outward. By the time that energy reaches the visible surface, the photosphere, it has cooled down to about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Still incredibly hot, but logical. But then, physics does something completely illegal. As you move further away from the surface, out into the sun's outer atmosphere, called the corona, the temperature doesn't drop. It doesn't even stay the same. Instead, it violently skyrockets to over 2 million degrees Fahrenheit. That is over 200 times hotter than the surface itself. It makes absolutely no sense. For nearly a century, this mystery known as the coronal heating problem has left the world's smartest astrophysicists completely baffled. If the heat isn't coming directly from thermal conduction from the surface, where is it coming from? The answer lies in a hidden, violent, invisible network: the sun's magnetic fields. The sun is not a static ball of gas. It's a churning ocean of superheated, electrified plasma. As this plasma boils and moves, it drags the sun's powerful magnetic field lines along with it. Think of these magnetic lines like giant, invisible rubber bands stretching across space. Because the plasma is constantly twisting and swirling, these magnetic rubber bands get tangled, wound up, and stretched to their absolute breaking point. And when they snap, they unleash pure chaos. This brings us to the prime suspect behind the mystery: nanoflares. While giant solar flares are massive explosions we can easily spot from Earth, nanoflares are their tiny, hyperactive cousins. Millions of these mini explosions detonate across the sun's atmosphere every single second. Each nanoflare is invisible individually, but together, they act like billions of atomic bombs going off simultaneously, releasing a constant, relentless torrent of energy. This explosive snapping dumps massive amounts of raw kinetic energy directly into the particles of the corona, accelerating them to near impossible speeds. In physics, temperature is just a measure of how fast particles are moving. By violently whipping these particles with magnetic snaps and plasma waves, the magnetic field forces the corona to vibrate so fast that its temperature registers in the millions of degrees. So, the outer atmosphere isn't hotter because it's closer to the fire. It's hotter because the sun is constantly whipping it with magnetic energy. If we could somehow harness the secrets of magnetic reconnection here on Earth, we could unlock virtually limitless clean energy. Do you think humanity will ever fully tame this wild cosmic energy? Or are we destined to just watch it from afar? Let me know in the comments, and follow for more cosmic secrets.